What's good, YouTube? We finna get a little cold started, you know what I'm saying? Finna go pick up some pizza, you know what I'm saying? Finna get y'all a little chill, little POV job. Not finna cut up, but hey, let's get this started real quick. Oh, wrong key. Looking at. But yeah, y'all, we in the big body Scat. But hey, so yeah, I'm finna go pick up this pizza, you know what I'm saying? I'ma just talk to y'all. This is my first like real POV drive. So hey, let's get it. Hey, I had this Scatpack for like, you know what I'm saying? Almost a month, no, almost like 3 weeks. It's been cool too. Hold on, why this dude getting friendly like that? My engine already going. Yeah, hold on. Talk about this white truck. I did just get some gas. I've been trying to work on my MPGs. But shoot, I only drive this car on my days off, so yeah, man, this car sounds so good though, y'all. I'm not even in sport or track, this is auto mode. So everything like in the street probably. But yeah, I really just been working for real. You know what I'm saying? It's peak season at my job right now, so it's been pretty busy. But we gotta get to the money anyway. So, yeah. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Oh, my bad, that ankle probably bad, but shirt all stretched out, my fault, Joe. I'm looking rough. But hey, life's still good though. So, my birthday next week though, too. I don't really want to do nothing, you know what I'm saying? This really was my early birthday present. Definitely getting crazy with that. I ain't gonna do no burnout somewhere like that, you know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all be dogging out y'all Scat. Y'all muscle cars, sport cars, but nah, I don't even be speeding in this motherfucker. We got the pizza, yeah. I'm seeing my pizza real quick. You can't go wrong with that pizza, man. That's the best one. For sure. Man, look at all this traffic, man. I shouldn't have went this way. I knew it. I will get a new camera soon, so the quality will get better. I know my quality kind of bad right now. Cops be hot in this area though, for sure. Perfect though. Auto mode, by the way. Not sport, not track. If I get quiet, y'all, it's because I'm looking out for cops. Like I said, cops be hot in this little area. Hopefully it's not too much wind. Yeah. Little Mustang right there. Y'all, let's see my mile per gallon. Hold on. I just filled up today. I didn't fill it up, but I did fill it up. I wasn't at E, so let's see, 13.7. I'm trying to get it up to like at least 15. It was at 12, so it's been going up. Like I said, though, this is my daily as well. I've been watching License, y'all. I really do. I really be driving safe. Like, I don't be cutting up like that, man. I don't be. I thought that was 12. My fault. I really don't be cutting niggas off and stuff like that. I be chilling, bro. A lot of people really be hating too. Like, they don't even want to let you get over it. Like, right now, I do need to get over it. Right? Let's see. We're gonna have to fit in some way. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing we can fit in where we want to fit in. And I got the 6 pistons, bro. These brakes are so good. See, I really want the windows down too, because I don't want my car to smell like pizza. It's all good. I'm probably just gonna give y'all one more pull real quick. Hey, look at them school buses. You know what I'm saying? Hey, one time I was at work, I actually saw a yellow wide body hellcat, and it had black stripes. I don't know if they just put the stripes on there because of that song, but I was like, wow, I really never actually just seen that exact spec. So we got the Ranger right here, and we got the Ranger behind it. So that's kind of weird. I don't like how I'm trapped between 2 Rangers. I feel like they know each other, so they got to. If he turn right like this one, they know each other. But I can't wait to get from behind these slow folks. Yeah, he turning right. They gotta know each other. Give y'all a little manual play real quick. Alright, y'all, that's the end of the vid though, y'all. About to go enjoy this pizza and edit this video for y'all and drop some more content for y'all. You know what I'm saying? We on that grind. And I'm out.